An outdoor kitchen can turn your backyard into an entertainer's space and a place to relax, cook, and create lasting memories. Benefits of an outdoor kitchen. Let's explore some of the amazing benefits of having an outdoor kitchen. Extend your living space. An outdoor kitchen seamlessly connects your indoor living area with the outdoors, creating a more spacious and inviting environment. Effortless entertaining. Host unforgettable gatherings with friends and family. No more running back and forth between the kitchen and the patio. Upgrade your cooking experience. Take your grilling game to the next level with dedicated appliances and prep space. Year round use. Many outdoor kitchens can be used year round with proper planning and protection from the elements. Increased home value. A well designed outdoor kitchen can be a significant selling point when it comes time to sell your house. Planning your outdoor kitchen. Here are some considerations: space and layout. Measure your available space carefully and consider the layout of your existing patio or garden. Sketch out a rough design to ensure everything fits comfortably. Budget. Set a realistic budget and prioritize your needs. Consider prefabricated options for a cost effective solution or create a custom design for a more personalized touch. Purpose and functionality. What kind of cooking do you envision doing outdoors? Do you need a grill, a pizza oven, a sink, or even a mini fridge? Sun and shade. Factor in sunlight exposure when choosing a location. Consider shade sails, pergolas, or awnings to keep your cooking area comfortable. Permits and regulations. Check with your local building department to see if any permit required for your outdoor kitchen. Designing your dream outdoor kitchen. Now comes the fun part: designing your outdoor kitchen. Here are some inspirational ideas. Material options. Choose materials that can withstand the elements. Popular options include natural stone, brick, pavers, and weatherproof wood. Countertops, stainless steel, granite, and concrete are all durable choices for outdoor countertops. Storage solutions and built-in cabinets, drawers, and shelves provide ample storage for utensils, dishes, and cooking tools. Seating area. Integrate a comfortable seating area for dining and socializing. Consider built-in benches or a dedicated dining table. Lighting. String lights, lanterns, and outdoor sconces create a warm and inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings. Building your outdoor kitchen, DIY versus professional. There are two main approaches to building your outdoor kitchen: DIY or hiring a professional. DIY, perfect for experienced handy person with a good understanding of construction, offers a sense of accomplishment and potentially saves on costs. Requires careful planning, research, and the right tools. Hiring a professional, ideal for complex designs, extensive plumbing or electrical work, or if you lack the time or expertise for DIY projects. Offers peace of mind and ensures your kitchen is built to code and safety standards. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, keep creating, happy decorating. I will say see you in the next video.